I got weed. Hey. Take this. Look, let me see if it's a problem with your rod. Look, just watch, always watch, okay? You have it on the tip? Yeah. Flick it out. Oh, there's dead salmon right there. Anyway, look. Casting tape, flick it out. Imagine I catch something now. Oh, your swimming action is way better than mine. Oh, fish! I got a fish. Let's go. Fish on. Let's go. First fish. That's definitely legal. Oh wait, no, that one. No, man. Yeah, nobody's catching fish anymore. Stop. These fish. Oh, I'm on. W. Yep, I got one other fish. We just came bit together. I'll unhook this and then measure it. Oh, it's hooked. Oh, sheesh. It's hooked on well. Alright, so yeah, this is basically not legal. I'm gonna let it go. It's like, I think it's just barely legal, or maybe a bit under. Bye-bye. Yeah. Alrighty. Back to it. Surely hooked on again. Hit me. Oh, something was so close to hitting it. Alright, sure. Oh, right here, literally right here. Oh, I might have actually even caught that on camera. Okay, it unhooked itself. Oh, that's beautiful. Fishy! One of my friend's first salmon. Or second, actually.
So slippery.
Have a look where it was. We're so lucky, Alhamdulillah. We got good fish. Even though most of them aren't legal, but you know. Oh, bro, I just bit it. 2 fish followed it and 1 bit it. You're on?
Yep.
Nice. Nice. Oh, that's big. Oh. Ow, it went into the water, don't worry. It probably went through the hole, bro.
Okay.
Inshallah. Yeah, the school's probably like right near here. Oh, did you see that? Oh, I'm on. Let's go. First fish on the cool looking lure. Please don't fall. Settle. Brother. Tip of the tail. This is legal. Oh, bro, go get it. Get it. Get it, bro, get that fish. I'm gonna get it for you. Hold this. Oh my days.
This is really...
Bro, look, you gotta grab the line, okay?
Yeah. Hold on, let me put this way.
Alright, my hands are a tiny bit bloody. I don't know what it... Oh, so I found the rock. Alright. It's fine. Yeah. Oh, bro, did you see that? That actually looks big. Oh wait, no, that's that fish absolutely swallowed this lure. That's crazy. Please be legal. It's legal. It's like 25 centimeters. All right, I'm gonna put it out. Yeah. All right, 3, 2, 1, bismillah. Out. See, it's just nervous system reacting. I'm gonna do a second one. It's out. Done. Just dehook that. And then afterwards, snap its neck, okay?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so my friend just caught that fish. We put it out. He's dehooking it now. Now, inshallah, I'll get some more. Oh, I'm on! Oh, it literally just jumped out the water, bro. So I've unhooked that fish. Just gonna give it a measure now. Yeah, that's legal. Alright, little guy. Alright. Back to doing this stuff. You just gotta commit. Commit, guys. Now I'm just slow winding it with a bit of flicks. That seems to be working. Oh, bit it. Oh, I think one just tried to hit it again. Come on. I'm on! Oh, it's a little guy. Alright, anyways. Back out to the ocean. Pretty salmon. Oh, fell down on the rocks. Anyway, it got out. It's fine. My friend's onto his fish again. Oh, there's another one following it in as well. Very nice. Oh, okay, it's fine. I don't even think that was legal. Alrighty, anyways. I got like 2 bites just there. I've got to set the hook properly. At least 1 bite and then 1 chase. Oh, I'm on! Oh, I think it's a little guy. It's not really fighting very hard. Oh, never mind. It's actually decent. Or is it? I don't even know. Okay, mine undid itself. Alright, little guy. I'm gonna measure him still. Just in case. Actually, you know, I'm just gonna let him go. It's fine. I think it's under legal. Or I'll give him a measure. Oh, okay, never mind. I won't give him a measure. That good dude. Swam away. It's all good. Look. I don't think they're bad. Yo, check the time, by the way. Check the time, by the way. Okay. Sounds goody. Yeah. Bro, I don't have problem with coming back at 5:30. I'm on. Oh, it's fighting. Damn. Why isn't it coming up? I don't know why it's not coming up, but it's alright. Good fish. I think this friend here is onto another fish. Gotta help him out. Oh, bro, you slam it into the rock. Brother, oh, it's off. Brother.
Alright, I know not to do.
Alright, I think that was my 8th fish. Oh, something's chasing it? Oh, seems like it was going to, but never mind. Oh, wait, that's your fish. I thought that fish was chasing mine.
Oh, right here, buddy.
I'm on! Oh, it came off. The second time that's happened. Glasses, I feel like we might be able to run. That's how much drag you should have. Nice.
Oh, it's actually pretty big. Oh, I got tied in.
Too loose, bro. You just pull it right out the water. Yeah, wow. Oh, I got a good hit just then. Oh, I'm on. Oh ho! Yes! I think I remembered to set the hook a bit this time.
How big is it?
No!
Yes.
Ah, that was illegal. That was a legal one, bruh. Alright, look at that seagull. Look at that seagull, bruh. It's literally chasing down my lure. Brother, that is not a fish. Is it? Yeah. Oh, wait, am I? Yeah. Let's just let it
I
go.
think it is, yeah. Let's look.
We gotta be careful now because we don't even have the tape. Yeah, at least your huge treble isn't in. Bro, mine can't even hit it and your things are swallowing the entire thing. Here, salmon trout as Australians like to call them. Anyways, there you go. Whee!
Oh, that's cool.
Let's see if that's legal.